Right there. I forgot to find a way to keep this up. Rock this up. Out the road.
Everybody's doing belly and all these things.
This alive?
Mm-hmm.
You're live.
You're live. We're building your audience
for you. Build it. This so far. Look, this so far. What?
It's fine. Whatever.
Candice there.
Candy, walk on, bestie. You're there. You're there.
Actually, she can't hear. We good.
You're hearing us. We want to know if the connection good. We want to know if everything up and running. So please tell us.
Sharon Green. Mini-Taj is watching.
People still send your friend request.
But they're not call. We should have one cheaper way to call. So to talk to you, what y'all think about the election?
Yes, we need to know.
Yes, me I hear you. Candice, she I hear with.
That's great. Good.
Sharon says yes.
Okay.
Kenra GQ. Drummond, big up yourself. And to talk to winner, today we are talking about the election and we are talking about the gun something.
Yes, the X6 murder trial.
X6 murder
it's
trial.
It's not the X6 murder trial anymore, it's the gun trial.
It's a breaking out, Candice.
It's breaking in and out. It said your connection is...
The number is 321 576 2232. 321 576 2232. Talk to her. Trump is our new president. Woo! I thought your stuff was strong.
Yes, it was. I tested it yesterday.
It says your connection is weak.
And it was perfectly fine.
Damien Winch, big up family. Yo, somebody asked me if I have bleach today. So, hear this. When black people go into the sun, right, we get darker. And when we stay out of the sun, we get lighter. So sometimes y'all see me and I'm out of the sun for months. I'm going to get lighter. And then when I touch place like Florida, I'm going to go to the beach every day. I start get darker. So when I support the bleaching thing around here. Okay. Track me, Chris. Big up yourself.
It's better now.
The man about man a bleach. Sharon Green. Sharon Green's a bumble cloth. Let me say we are bleach. I would not join the bleaching. Trump is president. How do you feel?
Somebody's calling.
Who's calling? Go on, family.
Turn it up.
Bagwan Public.
I'm there, I'm not bossy.
A pioneer building, man. Sefton.
Sefton. What, bossy?
Don't say I was.
See it there?
Hear the thing, you know. Me and Allah, your family, daddy, and me see ya. Don't you have it because you're too busy.
No, man, my busy. More time here, what?
I know your time yet. Me have a piece with friends.
Alright. More time, me I text all 5 people at once. So me can't really take the call them.
Yeah, me see you're always busy.
Yeah. But I saw the thing set, you know?
I see everybody and get heads over heels. I just step around back thing. I watch him do a live thing there.
See?
The same thing. I see the people them are crying. Everybody and say Ray and listen. You see you you're a militant.
Yeah, man.
You know how the thing go.
Right.
We can't go past the rhetoric now. This man is not a man who is doing this thing to feel. This man have pride, you know. I don't care what nobody wants to say, you know.
Saying.
People talk and people talk loud, you know. When responsibility time come, a time man I go hold up him responsibility and do him to do, you know. So after the speech where he make after everything last night and everything, I see this man is a man where him see a way of where him know say him could have used the social media, internet and Twitter, the whole world and get the message across. He's a showman and him put on a show and the people him love him show and them vote for him and him with him not teeth nothing. Him blew her out of the water at the end. And you know, how we say, I'm with her. But at the same time, if she lost, we have to just fancy it. She lost, and we hope that this man come and become the greatest president ever.
Aye.
For all people, because that's how it's going on. When the time coming, a patriotic time now, you know. So we have to rally around the thing and know that's how it goes. Whether we hate it or love it, we can't do nothing about it. A million people out there are demonstrate all over the place. You can't see it from everywhere.
Well, here what?
It don't make no sense now.
True, man, it's too late, man.
People should have get up and go vote if nobody want to sit down. People come sit down now and when the people who go out and vote and choose them candidates, people want to come and talk and bag of crap. Come on, man, get up and go vote because I'm calling Kaepernick them. I'm lick him out, lick out against him, you know. How a man like you say you are stand up against social injustice and you talk now, say you would be that. Look at you with scorn.
Right.
Right.
You should have go vote.
And then thing that confuse the people, them, you know.
Yeah.
Because you have enough leaders who come out and tell the people them say, some say vote and some say your vote don't count, so don't go vote. A majority of the people them, it's easier for you to actually sit down home and say, my vote now count anyway, so me now go turn up and no voting poll, take an extra 20 minutes and fill out the thing and vote.
Alright. Well, sit here and cry afterwards.
Aye.
Should I go vote on?
Aye.
You know, say, you at least your vote count because the rules say, what about the popular vote after 270, who cares? The rules say 270, the first person 270 win. Hillary stuck at what? 219 or 220, right?
Right.
And the man blew her out of the frame, coming from behind, upset.
I want to tell you, say, every redneck come out, come vote, you know.
Listen. Nobody don't vote. If you look, you know, when we sit down and I watch them up, you know, when you look at that beach, right, you know, the big city, you know, she eat our food there, you know, but when you go out now, the little, what them call the Rust Belt, the little outskirt them, the like when they are Jamaica and when they are Maypen. Everybody in a Maypen vote for Mike Henry.
When
they go outside and Moko and them little outside at Tollgate and them little place they go round. Everybody around there so would say whoever Mike Henry you're going on. When they check our tax, you know, yeah, we have 1 million people in the town center, but going around these little suburbs, you find 1.5 million people there. You see it? So I mean, I have no complaint about nothing, brother. You have to just accept and move on. You see it?
For real. Candace Woods, I said, that's what people don't get. If everybody said them vote no count, how the hell Hillary fi win? You know how much people said them vote don't count, and probably if them did actually go vote, Hillary would have win.
Alright. And the people who are complaining right now are most of who don't vote.
Aye. And that's why I do a video yesterday on Facebook and I said, either sit down and shut up or get up and vote. Either way, because I notice there are some people where they must say in a one breath, I don't vote anyways, but them have the most safe to say about what go on.
People say them want change. It's just like Barack Obama, you know. Barack Obama come in and him said, change we believe in, don't.
Yeah.
And him run pan changes and him win and him get 8 years. Donald Trump will come and him say change too. And that's the people him want. And if people are looking up from days, you know, weeks ahead, you know, Donald Trump was them talk about the trust issue and them say, well, we're not too trust none of them, you know. But you see 68% of the people was going with change. So the election was already decided from then. If you was looking at the polls and everything, 68% of the people will say, yes, we're going for change. So what? I will fool some people, man.
I hear what? You said some real things still. You see when we watch him speech this morning, in victory speech, the man don't seem half as insane as what him seem like throughout the whole campaign. Him actually seem like somebody that is well put together.
The man sounds subdued, right?
Yeah.
People them and the people them are crying and say, boy, this man don't have no experience. This man is an idiot. Don't be an idiot. When they're running a bankruptcy and nothing, survive bankruptcy. Whatever I do, he is a successful person. Can you say this man is a failure when this man is successful? Raise some intelligent, beautiful kids and all them things. You have to respect the man. Regardless, I'm like a boy talk them when him friend them, when him never think about politics and him run something. That not say him have less morals.
Garth Osborne said, I don't want to hear no opinion from nobody who no vote, and I totally agree with it. Yo, Sefton.
Yo.
Here what? You have anything else to say? Because they call them a come in and I want everybody get a little voice.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Brain.
Big up yourself, Sefton. What go on?
Enough love, baby. I love the vibe.
Enough love to you too.
I have a beef with you, but I'm not going to touch it tonight.
You're not going to touch it tonight. Some other time, man.
I'll catch you on the channel some other time.
Alright, Sefton.
Big up, bossy.
Every time.
Alright, boss. Alright. So what we done now? Keep the call them coming in there. That was Sefton. Sefton, a real youth. Big up yourself, Sefton, every time. Darren Brennan. Darren Wam. Everything good?
Oh, and they're saying that they're protesting in New York, but the protest now go really do not know. It's a bit late.
Mark Crawford is saying that they're doing a riot in front of Trump hotels in New York.
Oh, wow.
Wow. But yeah, exactly. What is that going to do?
That's not going to do anything.
Yeah. It's too late now.
Yeah, they're ruined.
It's too late now. That's like after the fact. All I'm gonna do now is they're gonna send police officers out there to go round up people who protesting too hard, doing too much, and that'll be the end of that.
Yeah. Everybody have a right to.
Everything good, Darren. How are you? Keep America in praying, Mark Crawford. I hear you, man.
Yes.
Yes, it is too late. It is too late. Right now, we gotta accept. Right? And I'm gonna tell you something. On a real note, I served 1 day short of 10 years in the military, right? And I did most of that time under George Bush. So when you talk about countless deployments, I deployed so much into combat zones, I started thinking that I was built for just fighting wars. So if I survived that, I probably could survive this guy, Trump. But it's a good time to be out of the military right now, cause me not look forward to no more deployment. I'm done. Yeah. Somebody needs to just slap him away. Yo, Mark Leslie said, somebody needs to just slap him away. No, man, that man is heavily guarded and protected. Remember, I know, we're talking about a multi-billionaire. That man that could have come on and said all the derogatory things he said.
He said he will grab a woman by the pussy.
It was an interview they were doing and they asked him.
What?
Yeah, they asked him.
Grab who?
They asked him, so how do you get a woman? Like you're a celebrity, how do you get a woman? He said, well, you just grab her by the pussy. And they let you do it if you're a celebrity. And that's why today in that video, I said, well, my channel a kick up. So I hope one time, when we start grab some fat pum pum out the road, I hope them treat me like Trump. You know what I say? I see all the rappers coming out talking about Trump. I was thinking, where was they? Yes, exactly. People late, man.
Yeah.
Right now, they gotta just accept what it is and plan around that. Yeah. Plus, he's the president now, even more of a billionaire. See that? I know him money ton up.
He's set for life.
No money turn up. If you can actually Google this is public information. A president's salary, it's big, but it's nowhere close to what Trump was making as a regular person. So that president's salary that we're gonna pick up, that's gonna be more like pocket money for him.
Change.
Him can go make it rain at a strip club somewhere. That can be pocket money for him.
Chump change.
When he leaves presidency is when he's actually gonna get rich, which is what happened to the Clintons.
Yeah.
They collected that presidency money, and then after them leave office, that's when they actually get rich. Now they're worth $500 million. Now they're worth $500 million, but Trump is a billionaire.
And that's why Miss Clinton stay, she know where she did work on.
Yeah.
After the whole scandal.
When him say, I did not have sexual relations with that woman. After this took off, he would, I need. Yeah. A white girl is a black man, woman will kill that dude. Ah, boy, I don't know enough.
Yeah.
Good info. Yeah, Mark, man. About $400,000 a year. Exactly. See, and Trump was making is making way more than that before taking that position as I honestly believe that Donald Trump started this as a joke, and it actually worked.
Yeah.
And that's why he was turning up the antics during the campaign. Kama say, yo, how weird can I get? And they'll still, let me see, push the envelope, and them still accept him all the way into
presidency.
I think this says something
about our people. It says a lot about
I know our people. I know for me people. I think this says something about America though.
Yeah.
It says there's some deep rooted
issues that we still haven't gotten over, even though we think it's past and in the past. It's not in the past. It's still underlying issues. White supremes love to have white supremacy, and that's all it is. It's what it is. It won't never change ever. They love to be superior.
Yeah.
They feel like we're inferior to them. So
they actually like even beyond that, them actually like a white man. They couldn't even give it to a white woman. It has to be a man.
Very sexist.
You know, long them want a white man back in the office. Them would are willing to accept anybody as long as it's a white man. And now they feel like, okay, like sweat up, we got our country back.
Yeah.
Because now it's a white dude in a suit back in that chair, that commander's position. I hope he doesn't get shot and become a martyr to all his supporters. Better yet, have his fun and sit back and laugh. Therese Love Lee. Oh boy. He's well protected. Him not have to worry about getting shot. Trust me. This ain't no Martin Luther King.
Yeah.
He don't have to worry about getting shot. Whole heap of people will get shot before Trump gets shot.
Yeah.
Believe that.
Look at the rally that he did. A fight broke out in the crowd, and they took him off stage immediately.
Whoa, you know what Mark is saying? He grabbed a black woman private, she will kill that man. A white girl will not do nothing. I'm sorry. Hey, Mark.
I mean, I know about all that because black women are just as ignorant nowadays as white women. They will take anything, and once it's a
billionaire,
once it's a celebrity, they feel the need that they need to be accepted, and they need to go in that inner circle. So whatever they dish out, they will take. Like, once you're a millionaire and you have some money you can spend, oh shit. I
don't see too many black people black women sell themselves short, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you ever watch Ghetto Gaggers? I watch porn.
Ghetto what?
It's called Ghetto Gaggers. Go watch porn. You will see what them white man do to black woman, and them take that for a little bit of change. So if you think Trump a multi-billionaire now go grab some black pussy and black woman gonna say something about it, then I say nothing. Right now, black woman are dash for them pussy for free, or for some boy we broke as fuck. So imagine a multi-billionaire, tappy man.
Skinny out and dash you away and fling you out and
should I do something where you probably never see before? But madness. Guard said, I'm serious. Go Google it, Guard. Google ghetto gaggers. And watch how them slap the white man, slap a black girl in her face, say, suck this dick, nigger bitch, and fuck her in her mouth. Like real in her mouth like him a fuck a pussy. Sorry.
What?
Sorry. Real shit, man, tell you.
Okay.
So, yeah,
I'm
at the end of the day, you can't do it.
Me don't know when to talk about it. Okay. I have no clue. Me don't watch porn, so I wouldn't know.
Him can do it. The skin thing now gonna matter. Skin color now matter here, so. Mad.
A guard to
Kara, stop kill me off, please. You are so slow. Kill me.
Guard to I have to see the type. I have it. What God say? I have to see that type of shit for real.
Well, go see, go Google it.
Candice, we not kill you off, man. We keep you alive a little bit longer. We need you.
What she said she should have bite. Oh, said she should have bite his dick off.
First lady, Sandrika
Davis Palmer said
she should have bite his dick off.
No.
She's getting paid. She's getting dollars.
They pay these black women and they tell them exactly what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
They actually have one where one girl may ever see that backed out of it, and she was like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore." You're talking about them like wood in her mouth and like fucking her mouth. And yo, one time I seen them fuck a girl mouth so hard, she was blowing cum bubbles out her nose, right? And calling her nigger bitch and all this other stuff, and she was taking it. She had cried, living eye water. She had cried like the car just backed over her puss, our kitty, our cat. She had cried, living eye water, and she still stood there and took it. One girl I ever saw that said, "Yo, this was not. I can't do it. Yeah. I can't do it." So they had an after interview, and they were asking her, "Why did you back out?" She gave the money back, and she was like, because the things you were saying, it just hit a different place. One. Every other black girl went through with it because the money was good. It wasn't even a lot of money. The money was just there. Sad as it sounds, it's true. So we can't stand on no black this anymore, man. There are too many black people that's willing to sell out, and that's why I don't subscribe to that black nothing no more.
Pro-black.
Yeah.
He's not pro-black.
Black people are too easily bought and sold, so I don't subscribe to that no more.
They're too easily influenced.
Yeah.
Like anybody can influence them a certain way. Without any knowledge, without any prior experience, they can lead a black person astray with nothing. Just bare words.
So let me ask you, Trump has no fucking experience. I'm not here to actually down Donald Trump. I want to hear people. I want to hear people's opinions. SOUFLOTV.
SOUFLO.
Yes, bossy. Who's calling in?
I want to talk about the Donald Trump thing here.
Yes.
One thing I can tell you, because I'm over here in Canada, right?
Right.
And I realize how certain things work in America, and I'll tell you why. It's because Donald Trump would say something stupid, right? And the TV would play it for 24 hours, So you always see Donald Trump.
Right.
You know, when the voters then go to the TV, to the poll and go vote, the first thing them I'm going to say is the person I recognize, Donald Trump.
So you're saying that the media had a lot to do with it?
Of course.
Promote his agenda, right?
Because them play all the dumb stuff that he kept talking about.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Definitely. And that's
when you go to vote now, you will always remember Donald Trump.
But you know what? They actually control the buy. I'm not gonna do it again. The media actually control. You did it?
Yeah, me did it. Yeah.
All right. The media is actually controlled by these multi-billionaires.
Well, you got to remember, it's not the president run America, and it's corporate America.
Brother, say that again, please. Say it again.
Corporate America runs America.
Thank you.
But the president is just a face person.
A figurehead.
And SOUFLO, I can tell you because I've been there, so.
And I was trying to explain that because a lot of people were saying stuff like, well, President Obama, he didn't earn his legacy with the black community because he came in and he didn't do nothing for the black community. And I was trying to explain to these people that you don't really understand how your government is set up then and how it's ran. Because that man couldn't have done nothing that they didn't want him to do.
If Obama went against them, they'd have killed a long time.
Thank you.
Yep.
Enough people don't understand that. The job of president is a position. And they have anybody who fill that position has to ride with the agenda.
Yeah.
Right. And I'm over here in Canada, so I can tell you what I see.
Right. Yes, man.
You know who you're talking to, right?
No, boss. Tell me no.
Marvin Prince from Snow.
Ah, Marvin Prince. Big up yourself.
Yes, not you.
Yes, enough respect, brother.
Enough respect, and I enjoy your show a lot, Star.
Thank you, and thank you for calling in.
Yes, all right?
All right, boss.
All right, one love.
One love. So that was Marvin Prince, and if you don't know who Marvin Prince is, if you follow dancehall music, you remember the white boy Snow from Canada. Snow had a song with Terror Fabulous on it, Nadine Sutherland on it. SOUFLOTV audience to help me out. Big back in the day. Probably the only white boy that actually got that big with reggae dancehall music. But anyways, this guy right here, Marvin Snow, was heavily involved in his career. So big up yourself, Marvin Snow. Big up the whole of the Canadian people them.
Yeah, the Canadian fans.
Right.
I know that my best friend was actually in Canada at the time of the election, and she was telling me that they're having a big laugh about it, that Donald Trump is actually running for president, and the president of Canada was actually saying that anybody's trying to get a visa or passport to come to Canada, they're not. So we need to stay in America and all sort of stuff. So they're having a big laugh. They're having a jolly good time about it.
Jim Z says that the president is not elected in America, they are selected. How do y'all feel about that? You think the president is real? I am very aware of the Electoral College. So I'm asking the audience, do you think that votes count? Do you think that the president is actually selected and not elected? Because, boy, I'm not lie. This is the first time I have actually voted as long as I've been here. And honestly, the rest of my time, the rest of my years, I spent in a military uniform. So this time I was out of uniform and I figured, you know what, let me go vote and see. And I'm not lie, I'm under the impression that votes don't count now. But I don't want to discourage people from voting and find out later say votes actually do count.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So I'm asking the audience to chime in on this.
Yeah, it's better to be safe than sorry.
Right.
In the end. So
it's like I don't have nothing to lose kind of thing.
Yeah. It's a win-win in either.
Richard Taylor says selected. The Bama, big up yourself. True, they are selected. Young Jenna said they are selected. Jerry Barrett.
Mark Crawford.
Jerry Barrett, thanks for all the support, man. Mark Crawford, bro, did you hear what I said about doing this every night but different topics? Yes, Mark, but I live such a busy life. Y'all don't even know the half. What I want to do, though, is to start doing this every now and then, like more often, yes. And if it if it goes into a every night thing, then yes. Sometimes you have to surrender to the calling. You know what I'm saying? So if we start this out and it picks up, then we'll do it more often.
Yeah, definitely.
Right? But believe me, I live a very, very busy life. So I don't know about doing this every night.
Like every other weekend or...
No, we can start out about twice a week, maybe. Even that would be a lot, but
yeah,
can start out about twice a week and see if it's what it is.
Yeah. Because
Jared Barrett said, sorry, I don't believe selected. It's almost like they don't trust the people's opinion. Yes, it's even bigger than that, Jerry, look, I don't think it's that they don't trust people's opinion. I think they don't want the people's opinion.
Yeah.
Because they have an agenda that is different from the people's agenda. The majority of the people them out here are probably wishing for racism and all this stuff to go away at this point. Majority of the people out here are probably wishing, can't we all just... remember when they beat down Rodney King and he talking about, can't we all just get along after them wire up him jaw, frig up him face. Most of the people out here are probably like, can't we all just get along? But the bigger heads who are really in control, that is not beneficial to their pockets.
Yeah.
War and strife and division brings financial wealth to a certain group of people, so they have to push that agenda. You know what I'm saying? And that me think. I don't think it's that they don't trust the people's opinion. I think it's that they don't give a damn about the people's opinion.
Yeah. And even if they care what our opinions are, they want it to be more beneficial to them. True.
First Lady Chandrika Davis says, don't know what to think these days. Exactly, and that's true. Cause so much confusion.
Yeah.
Nick Cannon came on
and said,
when said
that he's not voting and he don't think anybody else should vote.
Thank you. So when you have black celebrities coming on and they're telling the people them, I know people, especially black people, they follow their celebrities so much.
That's why I say we're so heavily influenced. People can influence us.
Robin Jarrett, sorry to cut you off, but Robin Jarrett is saying something very important. Your local community votes counts. And oh man, today I was thinking, when I voted, right, it was one long paper so. And the paper had two sides, right? My vote, fill out one side. Half of the people on there I never heard of. I voted with my phone. And I was Googling everybody and trying to figure out their background, see what... So I was trying to do an educational vote, like decision-wise.
Yeah. Educational guess.
And I made sure that the community level thing, I made sure I did that.
Yeah.
Right? So what I've noticed over the years is, actually, it is the community, because Trump have said some things himself. He was like, when they asked him, so you're going to put women in jail because they had an abortion, or you're going to make abortions completely illegal? I don't support abortion, people. If I pick them up and counting, I don't support abortion. I say breed them and lead them, right? So I don't, I don't really support abortion, but to each his own. I'm still not here to govern anybody else's life, and I'm not here to play God. So if a lady feel like, say, boy, bad situation, what if she get raped?
Exactly.
These people have talked about if she got raped, that's not a reason for an abortion. Could you imagine your daughter, your sister, your mom getting raped,
aunt,
getting pregnant? Sister. Yeah. And then being forced to bring that baby to full term, then raise that baby as a person. Every friggin' day she look on the picnic that she don't want to kill it.
Yeah.
You know, so it's not my place. But Trump said that stuff like that, he would actually leave that up to the
specific state.
Right.
That's what he said in the debate.
And on that level, Robin Jarrett is correct. Your local community votes counts.
And
Trump just didn't have no competition.
Yeah.
And that was true.
That's true too. Because the media scrutinized Hillary the day before the election so much about these emails that are non-existent. Everybody start getting confused, and I know especially the black community was watching, and they're saying like, if she can get scrutinized for some emails or doing something like that.
But you know what? I actually want to know what was in those emails. Yeah. I want somebody, because come on, we can't. Everybody on here tonight cannot be all all Hillary supporters.
Yeah.
There's got to be some Donald Trump supporters on here. So I want to hear, because I want to balance the thing. When me want to hear, that's why Mr. Thanks Sefton for calling in. What I want to hear is someone actually come on and tell me the reason why. Be specific. Why is it that Hillary Clinton should not have won? And why is it that Donald Trump was a better candidate and better suited for the job, the position as president? That's what I want to hear.
Yeah.
I want to hear somebody come out outline it for me, because I'm all about the education, man.
Yeah.
I'm all about the education.
Specifics. Give specifics.
Like the bomber I said, Trump just didn't have no competition. Yes, okay. But I want to hear why. Why?
I felt like he did have competition. But
you felt like he did?
Yeah, I felt like he did have a competition, but people just were confused. Especially the black community. The black community did not vote this year. They did not vote.
That's a good point. Until somebody else come and tell me something else. That's a good point. And like they said, I mean,
Mark Crawford says.
He said first he said once a week, and then he said Monday and Thursdays. So we gotta keep paying attention to these and reading the people stuff up. Me know so they don't want to hear what them at time.
Adrian Gray and who else?
Adrian Gray and Darius James. Welcome and thanks for watching. Darren Brandon says it's all about the money. You're right, but it's deeper than that though.
Yeah.
Because the people who actually, the puppet masters who actually are pulling the strings, them own money. In other words, money don't mean nothing to them.
Yeah, they already have money. They were born into money.
Yeah, so this is way deeper than money per se.
It's a deep-rooted issue that will never go away.
This is about control. Control of your food supply, control of the minds of the masses of the people. This is about control. This is deeper than money. Money is just another tool that they can use to control people.
Yeah.
I just said some deep shit just now, you know. I mean, there's enough people right now are gonna miss that blood clot. I'm gonna say it again. This is deeper than money. This is about control. Control of your food, the world's food supply.
Yes.
Control of the masses of the people's minds. This is not about money. Money to the people who actually run this don't mean nothing. Yes. They own money.
They were born into money, bred into money. They're children of money. Graham, big up yourself. Graham said, "Bread and the beautiful. Never miss a beat. Big up yourself, Graham, as always."
Somebody else said they're selected. See, people still writing in, and they're saying selected. So that's to show you, a lot of people don't really believe that the president is elected. We more believe that the president is selected. Correct? Leon Mills said maybe Russia played a big role last night. How? Explain it to me, please. No, I want Leon to explain it. Make Leon explain it. Come on, to talk of things. How? Asha Blake? Yes. From way back. That's why I was saying this is not about money. This is more about the control of the earth's resources, the control of the minds of the masses of the people, and them kind of thing there.
And that's why when Jamaican people talking about it doesn't affect Jamaica and they don't give a fuck if Donald Trump is president, they sound very ignorant and uneducated.
Yeah, what Young John said.
Because this...
Whether. So, Flo, I think the United States wants to go to war with the world to have world power. Yeah, I don't know about going to war with the world, because the United States is just one country.
And there's other countries with bigger nuclear weapons.
Military power.
Yeah, so I don't think they would want to go to war with the
world. But I think that it is about world dominance and world control.
Yeah, world power.
Are they going to get it through war, or are they going to get it through any other means, and there are many other means.
Right now, if they stop import food to certain places, people
starve. Yeah.
And dead. And that's why when people talk about, oh, it's not gonna affect me because I live here and I live there. What?
Yeah.
You. First of all,
talk up the one.
America
please.
is an industrialized country. It's a first world country. So anything below that, you should be worried out your damn mind. Okay? You should be hella worried.
Because they control so much.
Yeah.
And they have the power to actually cut you off from so much. And people don't understand that it's not even by just them directly doing it. It's through association.
Yeah.
Like if them say no, everybody else that's associated with them is gonna say no.
Yeah.
In other words, from a Jamaican people, them can make your friend them cut left you.
I'm gone.
Yeah.
Run.
Cause them say, alright, you want to side with Jamaica then? Fuck you, you're not eating nothing too.
Mm-hmm.
And them say, well, sorry Jamaica, I loved you, bye.
Yeah. You were good to me once, but I have to go with majority and majority rules.
Yeah, the thing deep.
Yeah, very.
Mark Crawford said, I feel if you did not vote, you have no say so on anything going on.
Mm-hmm.
Mark.
That's true. That's very true.
Watch this. Out of one side of my mouth, yes. Out of the next side of my mouth, because how can I be honest and be real and say, I don't think if you did not vote, you shouldn't be saying nothing, right? But at the same time, I'm over here saying,